Hi, my name is Andrew King. I just flew into Pioneer Airfield at Oshkosh, Wisconsin in this 1931 Cirigliano SC-1. They called it a baby hawk, a baby Curtiss Hawk. Curtiss built the fighter planes for the Army and Navy. It was supposed to look like a shrunk down Curtiss Hawk for kind of a private owner. And then Mark Zielinski, who's working on the cowling here, restored the airplane, and Drew Hallam, who's here, also overhauled the engine. It's a huge privilege. It's a lot of fun. It's a huge responsibility. It's a one-of-a-kind, very valuable airplane. This one, to my knowledge, has never been wrecked. Most airplanes that are 95 years old have been wrecked sometimes 2 or 3 times. You know, Mark will give the credit he deserves for restoring the airplane, and Drew for doing the engine. It kind of needed to be at Oshkosh, a major project. Go that 100 miles. I had to stop for gas in Hartford, Wisconsin, because it only has a 14-gallon gas tank. There's been a lot of fly-ins, I think, around the country that have sort of declined a little bit. And AirVenture, I've been surprised. There's still a lot of cool stuff comes to AirVenture. It's the big one. It's still the big show. I think it's probably going to be the coolest airplane on the airport here in the next 3 weeks. You know? It just has a visual appeal. It just captures your eye, and people walk by and what in the world, you know, there's something about it. Sleek, and it's pretty, and has that beautiful cowling with the big bumps on it and stuff. And there's something about the airplane.